So I'm here now with Aaron Mason, the director of Hawkeye Energy Solutions.
Correct.
Yes, and I consider it out of Chicago area, but really you've kind of gone national now with
Sure. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, with the products. Yep.
with their products.
Yeah, we're super excited to be here. It's been a great show so far. We've met a ton of people, and we're really pumped about the future. Yeah, really great.
And so I was able to read all the submissions. I'm the lucky person that got to read what everybody, the most exciting things they were doing in the form of that call for paper response. And Aaron, his submissions, I was excited to put him on two different panels. One that was about big education campuses, because he's got some clientele that are big education campuses, and the other about Niagara, tools that have been built on top of Niagara to improve the user experience.
Correct, yeah.
The room was like, there was so many people in your room.
There was a lot of people. People were sitting on the ground.
People were sitting on the ground when you said visualization tools, and you were in there with Reflow.
That's correct. Yeah.
Niagara mods.
Yep.
Like, I wasn't able to. I couldn't get in.
No, it was a really great show. We've worked closely with Niagara Mods when they developed Reflow. We wanted any products that we made on the marketplace to work seamlessly with their platform, because we think that they have a great platform. And so yeah, it was a great partnership. We collaborated really well, and in the end, we showed a demo of their tools and our tools seamlessly working together to really just drive home the best experience for the end user. So we were really just trying to hammer on the whole partnership thing, because that's one of the big key things about this conference is partnerships. It's about just trying to, again, create the best solution for the end user. And I think that we can't be isolated. We can't do everything ourselves. We have to reach out and look at those opportunities. So that was a great example with Niagara Mods and Reflow, where we're able to do that and show that in real time. So yeah.
So I've seen your demo of some of your new products. Could you say anything about the 360?
Yeah, we have a product called Visual HVAC, and we call it the Google Street View for Niagara.
That's good.
But it's sort of like the buzzword is a digital twin, but it's a practical digital twin. Literally, like in an hour, you can take a 360 image, import it into Niagara, and you're browsing around your mechanical room or your office complex, and you could overlay real-time Niagara subscribed data onto those views. And what's really powerful about it is that it's directly built in Niagara, and it doesn't require any third-party cloud solutions or connected services, which is really great for a lot of end users from the cybersecurity side of things. They're not, it's very difficult to have those cloud connections sometimes. So we're really excited about that, and I call it the practical digital twin. So yeah, it's a great product.
It is practical when it's right there at the tool that sometimes I call it the platform of practice. It's the framework that you start up on Monday morning and you shut down on Friday afternoon, and that it's going all the time.
Yeah,
everything's doing in the day. So some of the big facilities that are your customers, you understood that customer need, and then have been kind of filling in these productivity you have just such a good sense of who the customer is.
Yeah, that customer experience is super important. I mean, all the technology is great, but it's got to drive action. Otherwise, the ROI just isn't there. So all these tools we've created are tools that are there to get information to people so they can drive action. And we really like trying to centralize things within the Niagara framework, because like you said, every day people are in it. I mean, there's certainly no shortage of 3D scanning, visualization things out there, but we wanted it to be seamless so that you can just right from operating your equipment, jump right into that frame. So, and that's one of the things with the other product, Niagara Notes, that we've done, is we've just allowed this collaboration so that if you're in the Niagara framework and you want to message and take notes on things, you can do it now in a dynamic way that's sortable, relativizable, and it really just helps people collaborate. So that's another product that we're very excited about, that we've gotten a lot of feedback on the show, that it's an instant drag and drop, low lift thing that people could use today. So
yeah. And I was in your session, the one that was about big campuses and people had an interest in and maybe that was not the notes product.
No, yeah,
that Clockworks.
Yeah.
Do you know that's on hands with love? Like, could you explain that?
Yeah. No. So we're partners with Clockworks. We really think that's a great analytics package. It is cloud based, and the one thing about it is it's comprehensive. I mean, it finds things. But it's not, the views that are in Clockworks and navigating Clockworks is not necessarily for every level of stakeholder within an organization. And what we've noticed in working with enterprise clients with that package is that we need to try to find ways to deliver that fault detection information at all the levels so that everybody can participate and get value from it. Because again, it's about driving action. So what we did is we are Niagara developers, and so we decided to create a Niagara driver that actually seamlessly backwards integrates Clockworks results directly into the Niagara framework. So again, instead of hopping between applications to try to manage something, you now have some really surface level diagnostic information that everyday operators, maintenance technicians, VAS technicians can utilize to reduce energy efficiency, improve comfort. And so we got a lot of good feedback on that because, again, these large universities and customers that are using analytics, they need to be able to distribute that information to all the levels of stakeholders, not just the engineers and the management layers. So, yeah, we got a lot of good feedback on that and a lot of interest. So,
yeah, I saw Joyce from Caltech at your.
Yeah, she was there. Yeah, she's super nice out there.
Yeah, like other education end users that are circling are like, let's see what's going on here at the Hawkeye. And what are the trends? So I am that person that designs those tracks, and when we put the business track together, it's like so technology trends, sure, new technology that's going to help you move forward, but tech isn't anything without a business idea. And I think as another great example set by Hawkeye is growing a business, moving from being a system integrator, a good partner to the campus says, to becoming a developer and joining the development program.
Yeah, it was. It's been a journey. It's one that we've really enjoyed. Tridium has been a great partner. They're very easy to work with in a developer program, getting you started and everything. We've been developing for about 10 years on the platform, and over those years we've sharpened our skill sets. We've invested in training, we've invested into the certified developer program, and then into the marketplace as well, where a lot of these products exist now is on the Niagara marketplace. So it's been an evolution, but we really think that those products and that direction is going to be a big part of our company in the future. It's a big growth part of our business, and we've got the right team. So we're super excited about the future. It's great.
I'm very excited about Hawkeye too.
Yeah.
Well, I know you're super busy.
No, it's been a busy conference.
Busy conference, and I just thank you for taking some time out.
No, thank you. Yeah, we appreciate all the support.
Yes,
thank you.
And I'm looking forward maybe to a Tridium talk. Like you have people falling out of the room and stuff. There's more interest here. We have to.
I think we got a follow up on that would be well deserved. Absolutely. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye bye.
All right.